You're saying goodbye to your professional credibility or good grades when you make simple grammar mistakes. So here are the three most common and how to fix them. First is the comma splice, is when you take two independent clauses, two complete sentences, and smash them together with a comma. For example, forecast predicts falling car prices. It's still a tough time to buy a car. The second is run-on sentences. Now this is similar to the comma splice where you're taking multiple complete sentences and smashing them together, but in this case, there's nothing in between. Now to fix both of these situations, you can add a coordinating conjunction, think the acronym fanboy with a comma, or you can add a semicolon or a period. Hell, you can even add a colon between these sentences. But you just can't have only a comma or nothing in between. The final mistake is subject-verb agreement. Now we can get into the weeds with this one, but the bottom line is that the subject and the verb of the sentence need to match. They need to both be singular or plural. It seems straightforward, but people will screw this up when there is an of preposition between the subject and the verb. For example, the list of reports are on the desk. Sounds right, doesn't it? But it's not. The subject of the sentence is list, which is singular, so the sentence should read, the list of reports is on the desk. Make sense? Follow for more tips like these.